Honda Rebel 500 cruiser category motorbike can be refreshed in the form of a new variant and 3 new colors for the 2023 version. See details. Being one of Honda's big bikes that many Indonesian bikers are hunting for, the Honda Rebel does offer a character that is suitable for casual riding. Supported by a low seat position, it is clear for bikers who want to feel the sensation of a big motorbike without worrying about having to tiptoe while driving. Technically, the engine base code CMX500 is similar to other Honda 500 series, such as the CB500X or CB500F. In terms of the engine, the Honda Rebel 2023 for the European market still maintains the same version as the previous model, where the 2-cylinder inline engine has a volume of 471 cubic centimeters with liquid cooling. The DOHC engine power reaches 45.6 PS at 8,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 43.3 Newton-meters at 6,000 RPM. As a power distributor, there is a 6-speed manual transmission system with the assist slipper clutch feature. Apart from the engine, the features of the latest version of the Honda Rebel 2023 also remain the same as before. For example, the volume of the tank is 11.2 liters. Then there is the digital panel meter in a classic round shape complete with gear pointer. Then, the light system has adopted LEDs and a double shock absorber from Showa, 5-step preload. Braking is guarded by a dual-channel ABS system. The tire size is a combination of 130/90 or 16 at the front and 150/80 or 16 at the rear.